Welcome to the Texas Education Agency's presentation on what is a complaint. A complaint is a written claim that an entity or individual does not follow school laws or rules that are within TEA's investigative jurisdiction. Who may file a complaint? Any person, group of individuals, or organization may file a complaint. Although some anonymous complaints cannot be investigated due to relevant statute or rule requirements, generally TEA does not accept anonymous complaints regarding alleged violations of special education or allegations of educator misconduct. The complaint form is available in English and Spanish on our website. If you need assistance filing a complaint, please contact our office and a staff member will assist you with accessing the form and can provide information about the process. Please note that staff are unable to inform you if your concerns can or will be investigated. Accommodations are available upon request. What can I file a complaint about? Common categories of complaints include, but are not limited to, violations of programs required by federal law or programs for which the Public Education Agency receives federal funds. For example, concerns related to bilingual education. Misuse of federal or state funds by a public education agency. For example, concerns related to Title I. Conditions at a school district or charter school that present a danger to the health, safety, or welfare of the students. Violations of duties defined by statute or rule of school district boards of trustees, governing bodies of public charter schools, or superintendents or chief operating officers of school districts and public charter schools. Violations of state assessment instrument security procedures. For example, concerns related to the state of Texas assessments of academic readiness, known as the STAR test, or the Texas English Language Proficiency Assessment System, known as TELPAS. Falsifications, fraudulent misrepresentations, or manipulations of information, including manipulations of records, reports, data, forms, statements of assurances, or certifications submitted to TEA through the Public Education Information Management System, and educator misconduct. And again, please note that this list is not exhaustive. What must a complaint include? To review and address a complaint, TEA requires certain information. We must be able to identify a clear violation of a school law and determine whether we have authority to act upon the allegation. Please include the following: the complainant's full name and contact information, name of the public education agency, a detailed description of the actions or decisions that violate a school law, leaving out identifying information for minors, evidence of a school law violation, name of the school staff members notified and responses to the complaint, an indication of whether the complaint was filed with other agencies and responses from those agencies, the resolution requested, and the full and accurate names of the involved educators. If you have concerns about special education, you should utilize the Special Education Complaints form, as the process is different. You may find the form on the TEA's Special Education Dispute Resolution Processes website. Please note that you can fill out the online complaint form available, or you may email, mail, or fax your complaint directly to the Office of Special Populations and Monitoring. What is the TEA jurisdiction review process? TEA will address the issues and complaints that fall within the agency's jurisdiction upon receipt of all requested information and within the scope of the agency's investigative authority. If the TEA identifies issues that would be more appropriately addressed by another entity, staff will provide the complainant with information on how to file their complaint directly with the entity for further review. TEA may contact the complainant at a later date if additional information is needed. After the complaint is reviewed, the complaints management team will provide a specific reference number for the complaint, and the complainant will be informed if additional action will be taken by TEA. TEA staff may also require that the complaint be addressed through the alternative dispute resolution process before additional action is taken by TEA, or may require evidence that the local grievance process has been attempted. Additional information regarding the local grievance process and alternative dispute resolution process is available on TEA's website. A friendly reminder from TEA that submitting a complaint to TEA Complaints Management after you have exhausted the local grievance process, levels 1 through 3, does not meet the requirements as an appeal to the Commissioner of Education. Under Texas Education Code Section 7057, additional information about appeals is available on TEA's website on the Hearings and Appeals Division webpage. Thank you for listening to this presentation regarding what is a complaint.